How to change address on Shein app. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to be guiding you through the steps on how you can change your addresses, which could be a delivery address or a billing address on the Shein app. So just make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now of course, first thing first, what you want to do is just go ahead and launch the Shein app on your phone, and then make sure that you just sign into the account. Then once you sign into the account, there are two ways on how you can change it, but I'm going to show you the most simplest method. For this, first of all, just come to the me icon from the bottom right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the me icon from the bottom right, tap the gear icon from the very top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the gear icon from the top right hand side, here you'll find a section where it says address book, so you want to make sure to just tap on it. And then here you can see my default address is actually selected. Now I can choose to delete this address if I want, and if I want to change it, I can choose to add a new shipping address. So just tap on the add shipping address button here. Just make sure to enter the new address that you want to use, such as your first name as well as the last name, the phone number, and then just tap the save button. If you want to make that your default address, you can do that as well. But to give you a basic idea of the context, this is how you can change the address on the Shein app. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.